I got a fun fact today from my friend and our producer, Steph. She said that you guys actually eloped 16 years ago, even though if you Googled it, it would say you got married 15 years ago. John and I got married 16 years ago, and this show turned 16 this year, too. What do you guys do on your anniversaries?
Well, first of all, happy sweet 16. And I'm glad we share that together. So yay. Second of all,
Yay!
I think this is also a fun fact, the way that my mom's going to find out that we actually eloped. So surprise!
Oh, she didn't know? I'm sorry.
Nobody
I'm
was.
so sorry.
No.
I'm so sorry. Was I not supposed to say that?
After 16 years, if that's my problem in life, like, I'm okay.
I'm sorry,
For
buddy.
2 kids later, nobody cares. It's better you than me. It's better you than me.
That's right. She could be mad at me. Yay.
Yeah, she'll never be mad at you. I didn't want to be the one to tell her, so now it's, woo, I feel free. It's not a secret anymore.